Very big good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for joining us again. Number 2 time. Insight number 2 day for the week. PG News, Equinox Story House for afternoon. Story for this afternoon. Chapter by chapter now we go give them for now. We go take una go for Chang. For Chang side we go talk this palava picking way chop rice. For neighbor house, it take die just now. Gendarme people they don't start make investigate. For sabi the real cause for that picking, we go come back for that image this afternoon. So for Chang side we go talk palava fire where it burn at least 12 store them for before council building. Now for Chang side palava for Northwest and Southwest. Akeremuna where he say he want run like president for 2018 votes. He get forget at least 300 people then for sign for say he stand up for election. Now according to way big man where he sabi palava vote for country where they call it say Hile Kamga. He take talk for that side. So for Yawende for Roland Akon inside Toritu for this afternoon. We go so talk big cry die e dey for Yawende and for people them for Onambelezibi Patriarch. He don't go for big waka. Oga Onambelezibi die for that side for Yawende. It be there yesterday. All this story them so we go try for Chakara for this afternoon country people them. Big part talk is say waiting. Say now only people the way they know sabi waiting because are not they go talk say it the bitter. Only people the way they know sabi waiting because are not they go talk say it bitter. Now a cane deren for that side for Limbe, Southwest region, Cameroon is same with big part talk this afternoon. At the come back. Glad plenty for joining us for this side. So for Equinox Story House, number 2 time where we meet up today. Chapter for this afternoon. We go begin and now for West region. Country people there will take una go for Chang. Now the family that for that young boy where they call it say Gislaine where they for technical school for Chang. Where it dey so he chop rice for inside neighbor house. One time the pikin take die. Total confusion for inside family now they picking that where he sleeps so for ground and for photo that where they take snap am where picking he chop rice on neighbor house he take die one time they begin for carry the die body come out and for outside for see how they fit take and go for mortuary country people them. So now they no sabi way to way kill Gislaine picking for government technical school for that side so for Changwe take die. Mortuary na for they take land but sabi say gendarme people them for that side for Chang people the way they sabi for make investigate plenty they don't already start for make investigate on top this young boy where he take die after we a chop rice. We be promised so we go come for this image for 1 o'clock and for true na the image that we go surely come back again for afternoon or for some time for the Tori for Sika say total confusion is still there for that family. So now they never sabi the real cause for waiting way he killed their pikin. So now all man is still believe say na the rice so the pikin take chop for another person in the house where Gislaine he take die for inside this palava. So na palava too for all we for start sabi how we go control we own picking them for say make they know the chop careless too for outside. Even for neighbor where you trust and plenty no be na palava for check all that one day. So gendarme they did do their work. We remain for that side for Chang country people them for talk palava this fire where he burn 12 store them opposite council house for Chang side country people them. This fire no man he never sabi where the fire he take come out but the only two way they sabi na say waiting fire he burn store them for inside market the council of the market as well take talk he just stand up now for before Chang council side now for the way the fire decide for enter now police people them where they lost fire where they come out for Bafusam they come for Chang side for Skansia where they fit ton for lost this fire for that side. Now I mean say for Chang 2 they no get firefighter police he begin for come out right for that side for Chang before he can try for see how he go lose the fire. But even before the firefighter police will enter for the palava, we sabi say plenty material be don burn, plenty cargo e be don burn for inside the market. No man he no die. Mayor for Chang side they call it say don't fact body lem. Him say he don't promise police, say firefighter police, they must get their place for shidon inside chang, so that when fire and any kind small thing go happen, they fit enter to for inside the fight quick for take fight this fight. So now so the team take pass for chang 12,000, they don't burn fire, no man no sabisa way fire it take come out. We continue to read for this side for Equinox Tori House. We take una go for Zokok. We dey come back for this thing for Sika Senati wey concern all we. Minister for a primary school book, it concern you too. Even people that they come up for Zokok, it concern una. Now picking them that future Cameroon leader them, they get for the go school go shidona for empty ground with lapa on top ground before they start learn book. Teacher they say for inside school, they no get even table for shidon. Please say, please madam, all man it is stand up now for up so take school it close. There was now they picking them where they no get chair for shidon. Now only lapa they use them for shidon on top ground. Now the thing way don't make plenty people that ask question if na so condition for learn it get for be for 21st century for Cameroon. We sabi say Cameroon 2035 they talk na emergence. So 2035 now so we go this also learn big question. When mommy go the prepare pikin for go school, it must to put wrapper inside pikin the baba bag. Say pikin, now you check this when you go put am for ground. School where they make am for 1936. So now plenty big people they don't pass a day. Mayor big mayor for Maratu Council where SSF is see the condition for inside this palaver, he take chair them for go dash this picking them, but the small one where the mayor give them school picking that the complaint say it no correct. For Sika say inside that school for Zokok now at least 1,050 picking the day them, but now only 100 chair where they get them. Now it means say some of the picking they will continue for shidon for ground for learn book. Sabi say for inside far north, no be na only palava school. Even as we school in the worry way you know the boko then say they worry people them. So now it means say people they decry every day, people they decry boko is the worry picking the SSF they no get place or shidon inside at their school for learn book. We take una go for Ebolova now, so country people. For Ebolova side, Minister for sick people them, Andre Mamafuda, ebide for Ebolova, for see how we was pitch where they didn't build down for that side, it don't go. According to way Minister Andre Mamafuda, it takes see for that side for Ebolova with his own ISSF. It shows say was hospital work where it happen for day, it don't go for 80%. Now for talk say the people there they take the contract. They don't do the work as well minister if you don't give them command say they get for finish am. Sabi say this hospital na palava for look out sick people them for that side for Ebolova, and minister before you want give them work if you don't give them time where they get for finish am, and when we see as well the work for hospital they go, it means say the contractor people them they follow the talk. When minister for sick people them Andre Mamafuda it take talk for them. So they say they try for say work it go now only for before for this hospital for that side for Ebolova. We go take style, we enter back for inside we own town. We own town with the inside. Now so we must to fix with town. If we no fix with town, no other person no go fix am. Now mayor the lookout roads. Now governor delegate, internal tenor the lookout roads. Or now who the lookout roads? Big question. They make we visit roads for Pakuvita and Bijou Makepe side. Now the controversy on this. All road them for inside Douala rotting and now rotting they don't rotting. Yes. Kota OH it don't cash am. Moto they dance their makosa inside the hole then careless before they pass. Yes. Moto Okada they dance makosa. Okada way look fine, it go dodge am. But moto way no get no choice. It must to enter for inside the hole, dance makosa, a dance even Ben Sikin, a dance any kind dance where you want dance before he pass for inside the hole. The one now for talk say road them. Now only one side is road them for inside economic capital for country. When na normal na town where all thing for inside be get for be jack. It means say all thing be get for be loco. You understand? But for inside Douala here all thing get complain. Roads OH e don't cash. See a motor they dance their makosa for inside hold them. Yes, they did dance makosa. And big people then they should don't on top chair. Now mayor they look on the roads. Or now who? See the one, he don't dodge. He pass now for wrong side. He run now with his speed. He make mistake, he jam another person. Waiting need the dodge. Hold them. I say hold them. Na Paku Vita side for people that they no sabi Douala fine. Paku Vita reach right for that side for Bijou Makepe. I say the road then at different level. See ya. Una see ya no. Small hold them for all corner. All corner small hold them. All man in the struggle for see away if he pass your own corner. No be na so country go for before. No be na so. If country wan go before, all thing get for stand up straight. Douala na economic capital. Douala e go the talk am good for change for 2019. All the road the way they don't spoil inside Douala, they wan start fix na which time? OH e don catch the road dem, quota e don old. Oga big peoples, make we the remind una work una get for do. Work e dey plenty for Douala, make una no wait for 2018, December moon, November moon, before una wan start fix road. Say 2019 damba go happen for country. No! Now una get for start fix country. So that stranger they go this year, so the swap, they go to say chai. Douala economic capital for country work a fine no, so that they go the camp. When they see the kind of road then so na pity. Big sorry for country. Big sorry. Now they wrote that. Oh, Asian cash oh. Una so she done inside office, air condition, turn for chair, go upside down, go do A1, do A2, una enter for inside farm motor, we all shock the defy. The people there they get for suffer, they suffer. And that's all. Palava petrol station for inside Douala. Petrol station, motor chakara for Ghana, people they don't die. Condition for Douala, e no dey different. Make we enter. We work as small for inside Douala. Douala na big town, economic capital. Petrol station they share boundary now with the house. Petrol station then they share boundary with the house. Minister for energy, mines, and wait they add and plenty long in them. I no wan call the name. But minister, as I be say law e dey for country. For Palava deep petrol station them and for stay for corner house. And for say many people they build for corner petrol station. Sometimes then even the petrol station they come meet up people them for their boundary. For say can say country Trump, all man they want say small land where get them for petrol station people them. Now if some kind of bad thing happen, if bad thing happen for inside country, they go talk say wetin. They go talk say they no be here, they no be here. No, people the way they sit down for big chair, una sit down fine, una start work. Petrol station and house they no get for share boundary. Someday something go happen, una go start talk say if I be sabi, that time e don tey. If I be sabi na the last talk that. See how a petrol station and house they share boundary. Now the same thing will happen for Ghana. 7 people they don't go 6 feet. 7 people they don't go 6 feet. We there for Cameroon with the job. For 6 years, this kind of thing never ever happen. So minister then say they should done for their own chair. They look. Any man he can give a book. I want open petrol station. You know go even ask them. Say where your petrol station dey. If I were from house, if I were from this, if I were for this side. No, you need to ask that kind of question. As well they give choco, they pay the other money. Voila, una fit do una petrol station. But na danger for your people there. Danger for your people there. So country people there. We say make we work inside Douala. Now that petrol station no only for inside Douala, even for Yaoundé na the same. When a political capital, even for other BB town they na the same. Petrol station and house they dey share boundary. Where any accident happen, all man e dey go one time. E no fine. Yes, e no fine. So we don't start for talk am, and we go so for talk am. For so for remind that big people them. Say as well they should don for touch chair. Make them sabi to say some kind thing the day wey they no get for the do am, and thing the day wey they get for the do am. Lord dey petrol station and house they no get for be for corner place. Understand no? As I be say they dey hear me for answer day. We talk Palava waiting, Palava bishop. Yes, bishop then don't talk say this thing wey people the way they carry bishop then go for court. They just comot. They think some kind say that thing they no like am. Yes, big man for commission for justice and peace for Episcopal conference, Bishop Abraham Komeo na the CISO the talk. He talk say na amateur na him mean say na put there they no sabi na small pikin collapse. Palava no west and southwest they say make the shidon for one table for talk. And Palava the kind country where they get for shidon and the kind country where get for be. Bishop they don't talk say make the country where they for constitution it remain for inside. But they talk say the thing wey dey hurt them plenty. na the palava wey dey carry their combi dem go court, then they go just she don talk say they don cancel the case. Say that one, if bishop dey vex, they go surely carry their people dem to go for court, make they start talk beating for inside court. Say you no go carry person wey no do no nothing, you go for court there after you just comot, you talk say case close. Why case get for close? You don judge them? Case no get for close, judge them, tell them say nothing wey they do, nothing that they do. So bishop they don't talk say they no wan do anything, but they say make country stand up straight. They dey so talk, make they sit down for one table for talk, so that all thing e go work fine for country. Since we dey talk this palava for northwest and southwest, sabi say president candidate dey so calm, presidential candidate so comot. One of the latest person wey talk say he go be for president na big lawyer Akeremuna. Yes, Akeremuna talk say he say sef he wan see how way to the inside day. He say he wan enter for Etudi, even as we don dey enter wey be Popo a friend. Now so he wan enter for Etudi, she don for the same chair wey Popo dey she don. So he say he wan be president. But sabi say for be president for inside country like Popo, where you no get party, you must to get at least 300 signatory. People they get for sign for all the region them. Now so he let Kamga talk, no na ambassador talk. Yes, he let Kamga na it all say Akeremuna as we never get party yet. If he's also stand like independent candidate, but he must to get at least 30 signature them for people them for different region them. When you join them all around 300. Now so he let Kamga talk. Now he sabi this palava for vote inside country where. So sabi say for Akeremuna for she don touch chair, or for if even carry name put and say candidate for vote like normal man, like ambassador, so I must get 300 signature then before I go pass my book. If I no get 300 signature, I forget. You understand? Now you let Kanga talk that one. We take una go for UB. Now place for B when you did it. We go UB. Doctor them they don't finish graduate come up for our side country people. Yes, future doctor them they don't graduate, and graduate it happen now for Amphi 750. Yes, now doctor than that. Sabi say ratio for doctor and sick man for inside country now 1 is to waiting plenty if you want look up. Me I know sabi mathematics, but the doctor they sabi mathematics fine. Graduate for 2016 doctor it happened for Dorothy Limunganjoma Amphitheater. And big man pro chancellor where they call him say Professor waiting they call him a Professor Ako Edward Oben. Now he be there for inside the big gando where even register say where they call him say Professor Ndib Roland he be there. So inside this graduate wey take happen for university for Boya, they don't talk for the new pikin them. Say outside strong plenty. Say all team where they don't learn am for inside doctor work, whether na 7 years wey they be there, they get for sabi say outside strong. For get work na one thing, for manage the work na one thing. So they don't tell them. Inside this graduate we take pass, we get 83 medical doctor them. We get 33 senior nurse, then 29 senior medical people them. And as we take happen, they don't already give the instruction. Professor Ngowan go to Nadine for the faculty. He don't give the instruction. Say make the sabi say outside strong. So as we they come out, make the sabi say na another war they get for fight. And the war it go be na them and their belly. Yes, them and their belly. So now so they doctor they don't finish school for 2016. Now the batch for 2016 now the one where they take graduate so for university for Boya. Last story for this afternoon we talk palava die country people them. We don't talk since yesterday big cry die it day for Yawende as this big man where they call him say Patriarch Onambele Zibi. Repe he don't go big waka wey no go come back. Yes, he don't waka long waka wey he no go come back so soon. And Onambele Zibi on the sea, so any man wey talk say no sabi Onambele Zibi. Sabi say papa die na for Yawende emergency center. They say na for sika heart attack. Na for the Repe die. This Repe na Repe for Ndamba. People they sabi plenty na for Ndamba side. Tone Kalara club where you want call away you no call Pa Onambele Zibi. Mean say you know sabi history. You know sabi history for Tone Kalara. So big cry die. So te even Gregoire Ona when a neighbor he go for go talk. He say well, he no get it talk again. He no get talk. All thing don't pass it. Yes, all thing don't pass. Na play than that for Tone Kalara. Even they say they go ship mama Onambele Zibi. They tell say Mama Ashia take heart. Yes, take heart. So big cry die e dey happen for that side just now. Una sabi say inside country, if no be na gendarme peoples, if no be na army peoples, if no be police peoples, we for be for outside no. Na dey look away. Na dey look away. One say big good salute, big salute for this big man for that side. So for Edea road gendarme man, where they call it say waiting Patem Franklin in a woman. Now be the big man for road safety for that side. So for Edea side, big good afternoon. And even you Sesep, where they call am say Oga Engozo Ela Thomas, you be the big man for your side here. Una dey do correct work. And even you Jibrila commandant, we then na road safety for inside this side of Douala. Correct work una dey do and we take side, so salute honor for us side this afternoon. Country people them, dog passy they no get light since midnight. Too bad. We don't finish to read for this afternoon. We go turn back for some time. Una hold am tight.